everyone, BJ McDowell here. Just going to take a quick look at the oil catch can, take it off, dump it out, get an idea how much was in there. It's been about 4,500 miles since I last dumped it, which was right after the oil change. So this has been probably about the longest I've gone without dumping it. So I'm curious to see how much is in here. And just to give you guys a tip, the last time I dumped this and put it back on and tightened it up by hand, fairly tight, the motor was close to operating temperatures. So I wouldn't advise doing that, only because it's hard to get it loosened up, the amount of grip you have here. So it looks like it's almost halfway full. I don't know if you can really see in there or not, but it's the most I've seen yet, again going almost roughly 4,500 miles. So it does work, definitely collects the fluids that come from the motor, but per the factory would just go right back into the motor. But thankfully, you add one of these, you can avoid that and hopefully add some life to the motor. But yep, I'm gonna go ahead and dump this out. All right, so here we are with the can. Go ahead and dump it in here, just get an idea. There we go. Would much rather have this go into a container versus into the motor and to be recycled. Well, there you have it. Results of, like I said, about 4,500 miles, mostly highway driving. And put the can back on. Overall, that's about it. Low maintenance, easy to deal with, and I believe it's worth it. Until next time, thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care.